How to see who sent you NGL messages. Firstly, open App Store in your iPhone device. If you are an Android user, then open Google Play Store in your device. After that, go to the search bar and type in NGL. Now look for updates for NGL app. If there are updates available, then update those. If not, then that means that your app is already updated, so go back to your home page. Now scroll and navigate to NGL and open NGL. If you have not created an account, then you need to create an account first. After creating an account, you will get this kind of interface and you will also get a link like this. You simply need to copy this link and share it in your Instagram story or Facebook story. After sharing it, then people can send you messages on your NGL. After which you will receive messages like this. You will see messages like this. Now if you want to reply to this, then simply tap on the message. After which you can reply to these messages in your Instagram story or Facebook story. In this whole process, no one will know who sent these messages. But if you want to know who sent these to you, then simply tap on who sent these at the bottom. Now tap on this who sent these button at the bottom panel, after which this kind of pop-up menu will open. Now here you can see it says reveal sender info. Simply tap on unlock. To know who sent these, you will need a subscription pack. You will need to pay $6.99 per week to know who sent these. If you want to do that, then simply click on unlock and you can pay for the subscription. After which you will get all the options for premium. So I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.